In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automated reminders and follow-ups to your Calendly meetings. This process is straightforward and will enhance your scheduling efficiency, making sure both you and your clients are timely reminded of upcoming events. Let's dive into the steps. First, head over to calendly.com. If it's your first time, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage, which is designed to streamline your scheduling process. Once you're on the homepage, find and click on the Login button, which is generally located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in, then click Continue. The process will guide you smoothly. Next, enter your password and click Continue to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your personal Calendly homepage. From here, look for the Workflows tab. This is where you'll set up your automated processes. Click on it and then select New Workflow. This is where the magic happens. Select Email Reminder to Invitee as your workflow. This option enables you to automatically send out reminders to your meeting attendees. You'll then need to type a name for your workflow to keep things organized and manageable. After naming your workflow, you'll have to select an event type and click Apply. This ensures the reminders are tied to specific types of meetings you host. Next, you'll want to edit the When This Happens field. Click on it and enter the selected options that best suit your scheduling needs. You'll choose the Before Event Starts option and then set the time for when you'd like your reminder to be sent out, ensuring it matches your preferred schedule. After configuring the timing, click Done to save these changes. Now navigate to the Do This section. You'll see the option to click Edit so you can modify the email reminder specifics. Here you can craft the message your attendees will receive. Select the email address from which the reminder will be sent, and pick a reminder template that resonates with your messaging style. Go ahead and edit the subject line of the email to capture attention, as well as the body of the email to include any pertinent information your attendee needs. Make sure to tick any checkboxes that apply to your scenario, which might include confirmations or additional information prompts your clients should acknowledge. With all these in place, click Done to finalize the details you've set up. If you wish to enhance your workflow further, you can click Add Action to include more automated steps. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your configurations, click Save to ensure all your settings are stored and ready to work for you. And there you have it. You've now set up automatic reminders and follow-ups for your Calendly meetings, bringing an extra layer of efficiency and professionalism to your scheduling game. This automation not only keeps